Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick Android tutorial, I'll show you how to reset app preferences on your Android phone and fix common app issues in just a few taps. If your apps keep crashing, notifications are not working, or default apps are messed up, this simple trick can help instantly. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Then tap the small gear icon to open the Settings app. This is the main control center of your phone where you can manage features like privacy, security, apps, notifications, storage, and system settings. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down carefully until you find Apps, Applications, or App Management. The name may be slightly different depending on your phone brand such as Samsung, Xiaomi, Realme, Oppo, Vivo, or other Android devices. Tap on it to continue. Now, inside the Apps section, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the three-dot menu icon. This will open additional options related to app settings and management. From the pop-up menu, find and tap Reset App Preferences. A confirmation message may appear explaining that this action will reset disabled apps, default apps, notification restrictions, background data limits, and permission settings. Tap Reset or Confirm to continue. Your Android phone will instantly restore all app preferences to default settings without deleting your personal data, photos, videos, or installed apps. After the reset is complete, restart your phone for the best results. This can help improve app performance and fix many software-related issues quickly. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Android tips, tricks, and easy tech tutorials. See you in the next one.